In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Calendar to add or create a new event and how to schedule or edit a meeting. Google Calendar is a powerful tool that can help you manage your time efficiently. To get started, all you need is a Google account. If you've already logged into other Google services like Gmail, you're ready to go. Otherwise, make sure to have your login credentials handy. First, open your web browser and head to the Google Calendar homepage. You can simply type Google Calendar into your search engine and it should be right at the top. Once there, you'll see an option to sign in. Click on that and you'll be prompted to enter your Google email and password. If you have multiple accounts, make sure to choose the one you want your events to sync with. With your credentials in, you'll enter Google Calendar's main view. On the left side, you'll notice a plus create button. Clicking this will initiate the event creation process. Here's where the real fun begins. You'll receive various options, but we'll start by clicking on Event since that's our focus today. This opens up a window where you can input all the details of your new meeting or event. To start, name your event. Be as descriptive as possible to ensure you and your attendees, if any, always remember what it's about. Next, set the event's date and time. Google Calendar allows you to make this a repeating event if needed, which is excellent for regular meetings or routines. If others will be joining, there's a section just for that. You can add guests by entering their email addresses, allowing them to receive a notification right in their inbox. Need virtual conferencing? No problem. Google Calendar integrates seamlessly with Google Meet. Just hit Add Google Meet Video Conferencing to include a link your guests can use to join virtually. If there's a physical location, you can type that in as well. This is helpful, especially if all parties need to know where to be without the back and forth emails. Moreover, you can provide a brief description of your event. This could include your meeting agenda or anything your guests need to prepare ahead of time. If you'd like to see more customization options, click on More Options. This takes you to a comprehensive screen where you can adjust privacy settings, add notifications, and more. This is your chance to make sure every detail is exactly how you want it. After reviewing everything, click Save to officially add it to your calendar. Your event is now set, scheduled, and ready to go. You can revisit it anytime on your calendar interface to make any necessary adjustments. And there you have it. A straightforward process for managing your time and meetings more effectively using Google Calendar. Happy planning!